Good morning, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel. I am on the bus and on the way to Kanyakumari. So this bus will take me to town, and then from town I will take the train. So Varkala, where I am now, is round about here, and then here is where I'm going to, which is Kanyakumari, which, as you can see, it's Land's End. This is what an Indian train looks like. This is the sleeper class. I'm actually supposed to be in seated, not sleeper, but never mind. If I get asked to move, I will move, of course. And of course, there's lots of room for my rucksack. In fact, the rucksack's got the whole seat to itself. First time on an Indian train. The ceiling fan, so this is all second class where we've got the beds and the ceiling fan. Toilet area, it's very clean, and it's the squatting toilet, so you put your feet on those footrests, which is very good for the body to squat, so I prefer these toilets. And very good washing facilities as well. Again, it's all very nice, very clean. So Kanyakumari, the place I am going to, what I do know about it is that it's a pilgrimage with lots of temples. Yeah, that's basically all I know, but hey, I'll find out more and I will pass on the information to you. So I've arrived in Kanyakumari and I am now in the tuk-tuk on the way to my accommodation. I've arrived in my room at the Ocean Hotel, I think that's the name of it. So I will take you on a room tour. This room is £10 a night, so that's just under 1,000 rupees a night. Dollars wise, maybe about $13 a night. And people have said to me that's expensive for India. Not necessarily, because this is a very, very good hotel. In the UK, for this standard room, I'd probably pay at least £50 a night, at least, minimum 50. So this has got a 24-hour reception. I feel that it's a lot safer for women because it's a professional reception area with people in uniforms. Bearing in mind I'm travelling around India on my own. I was going to come with other people, but I'll show you now why that didn't happen, and then I will take you on the room tour. Hi! So I'm with my friend Sija, and she was going to come with me today. Hi! And Satya, they were going to come with me on the train, but they can't because they didn't make their reservation earlier. So it's very sad because we thought that they could just make the reservation and come, but they can't. No, I just feel bad that I'm going and you're not. Oh, see, they're just so chilled about it, you know, they're just so relaxed. Oh, bless. So relaxed. Water, actually. Some lovely man's just brought me some water and some other goodies. Thank you. What? So, oh yeah, toilet paper, lovely. So I am out for an evening walk in the village with the beautiful sea behind me. So, it's been a really long day. I hope you found the information about the train to be very informative and you've really enjoyed my little introduction to the amazing Kanyakumari. And there's lots more to come tomorrow. So we'll end the vlog here tonight because I am pretty tired now after all the travelling and going out. So if you like what you see and you see what you like, then please subscribe to my channel. It will help you to subscribe because it means you will get a notification every time a new video comes out. So you will never ever miss a video. So in order to subscribe, all you need to do is press on the circle in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. So Shanti Shanti Shanti, Om Namah Shivaya, kisses, mwah, and see you tomorrow. More adventures in Kanyakumari coming up.